If
Okay.
you turn 6 in president, if you turn 6 out of 8 into 6 over 8 into a fraction, then you can think about equivalent fractions and then reduce it to the lowest number, which is 3 over 4, and then multiply it by 20, both of them by 25,
Okay, super.
and you can get the answer. And then
I have one piece of anyone have any feedback? They've done this very well. Anyone have feedback for how they could be more clear about how they did that? I can hear him talking, but, excuse me? I can see what is written on the paper, and I can hear his thinking when he's talking. But when I'm marking something on paper, I need to see the thinking on the paper. So, and you're welcome to answer this question, Connor. How would they show their thinking? Kira?
They could write down all of their thoughts and how they got.
Like in a big paragraph? Let's do it quicker and more efficiently with symbols and numbers.
Like what I mean is they could like show how they got the 75% to like any stuff.
Okay, so Connor, I'm starting with 6 over 8. What do I write down to show my thinking? Because I'm going from 6 over 8, and then I'm ending up at 3 over 4. How did I get there?
you can divide by 2.
And whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top?
Yes.
Okay, so that shows. And then how am I getting from 3/4 to 75 over 100?
Multiplying by 25.
Okay, and there we've got a more complete representation of their really, really good thinking. Okay, so you take over from now?
I don't.
Anyone?
Yeah, just do like ASPS or something. Pretty much the same thing.
Sure, why don't you?
I don't.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's like the exact same thing. we
I
were
guess
doing.
like ASPS, it was 15 out of 20, right?
Yep.
So we so what our group did, if I need help, I'll ask you. Okay, well. So what we did, so it was 15 out of 20 first, and then we did 15 over 20 times 5, which is 77, and then 20 times 5 is
75?
75.
Yeah,
Sorry,
that's
I
okay.
just
It's awesome.
20 times 5 is 100.
Perfect.
So 75 over 100.
Good, and I notice how you're
then-
showing your middle step thinking there for
Yeah.
your equivalent fraction.
Then, so we just did 72%.
Super.
as well, and then we'll kind of finish it off.
Because if you do like a quarter of 100 is 25, and a quarter of 20 is 5, so it's easy.
Brilliant. Perfect.
And we did
That's
3
great.
times.
My only other feedback here would be to make it obvious. Where the 80% came from.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, so then once you have your percentages, what do you do?
Then you after every percentages, what we did was we when we did the question and we put it in order from greatest to least.
Super.
And so first we did Russo with 80%. Since Russo is like the highest, we did it first. Then they're tied there, but we did it alphabetically. So ASPS went
okay,
first.
interesting. So
Then
these
President.
two are tied.
We just did it alphabetically. And then for Queen's Rangers, it was last.
I like that you chose to do it alphabetically because that sounds to me like something somebody might do if they were doing data and they were trying to organize their ideas.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.